So Cole was just telling me about a big trend over the last year about how we're investing not just in flowering plants and annuals, but a lot of gardening and growing of herbs and vegetables. And what is this thing here?
Oh, this is a raised bed, but you're absolutely right, Mark. People realize that they can grow their own food. I've talked to so many people that are like, realize I grew my own tomatoes and I grew my own veggies. It's like, yeah, you know, that's what we do, and that's what we're here for. But so many people got into it. So even if you don't have a huge space, you can get something like this, which is a raised bed. You can even have some vine growing up it as a privacy screen if you have a place like you do.
I was just talking about it. I'm on in a townhome environment, like your neighbor's right next door, and you don't really want to put up that ugly fence that says, "Hey, I don't want to talk to you." But this can be nice and creating, and it creates that barrier we need.
Yeah, you grow something up there. You could have your own tomatoes when you're making a BLT in the summertime. Nothing's like a fresh tomato.